In this video I'll show you how to change the battery inside of this Subaru Key Fob, usually found in 90s to early 2000 Subarus. So you'll need to switch the case on the back and take a Phillips head screwdriver, a small one. There are two screws right there you will need to remove first. Don't lose the screws, they're really small. Here we go. This is this. So this key fob takes a battery that is a CR2032, just like there. And if you need one, you can check the link in the description. Take a flathead screwdriver and you'll need to push the battery out of the casing. It's really easy. Right there. It should come right out. So here we go. That's a CR2032 3 volts battery. Take a new one. Oops. Or a small keychain holder here. Felt. Take a new one and make sure that the positive side is facing up. And the positive side is the one with the plus side. And slide it back into its place. Now take back the other part of the casing and make sure it clicks in place. And we'll need to put back the two screws that we removed at the start. So this is how you replace the battery inside a Subaru Key Fob. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like this video if you find it useful. Thanks.